So in case you want to replace this image, all you can do is you can right click this. You have the option of replacing it. So hit replace. If you have an image that you already saved, so you can click here, or you can embed a link, and you even have the option of using Unsplash. So for this page, it's all about environment, so it's all about nature. I'm going to type nature and let's see what are the options. Ooh, this image is really nice. I'm going to hit this and see how it is. Wow, that's really nice. I'm not going to lie about that. It's really nice. It comes along really pretty well with the environment theme and everything. So another thing that you can do is if you want to make this even bigger, like once you highlight, you can see this heading 3, like in HTML. If you guys know HTML, there are various sizes to that, right? So over here you can make it bigger. This is H1, the largest size. Or if you want to, this is another way of doing. You can highlight it. This is one way, and the usual one is the 6 dots. You can turn into, these are the various options that you can use. There's block equations and call out and quote. But if you want to use a medium heading size, you can do that. It's pretty cool. Change it back to heading 3. It's really nice, so that this is heading 3, this is heading 3, and this is heading 3. So it all looks presentable and nice, and it's like one big happy family, So yeah, and if you want to add bullet points, you can do that as well. Like there's a hyphen, this dash. After typing that, just hit enter. You get that. Or you can even backslash, and there's a to-do list, really nice. And there's also 3 bullet lists here. Like this dot is 1, and another option is a numbered list. That's another option. And there's even a toggle list, so you can write whatever you want in this. And if it's like a FAQ, frequently asked questions, like people ask a blogger how old they are, you can type how old am I, and you can just drop this down and type here 23 years old. It's really that simple. So if someone wants to know how old you are, you just drop it down and you have there. It's really nice. If you want to delete multiple lines, just hover over it and hit backspace. That's simple. So that's everything about this chapter. Let's go back to the main page, and we have closet.